Oh my god, guys. It's been so effing long since we've been on here. Oh my god, I don't know how long it's been, but I don't really care. We've been busy in the hunting business, like you guys know about us already, but I don't know what the hell Anthony is.
John!
What?
It's here!
What's here? What's here?
We got a present from FS Chris FX.
Huh? Who again?
Chris FX. FS Chris FX.
FS Chris FX?
Yeah, the Latex
Chris
Max
FX?
guy. The
Yo.
Max creator. That's what I can call. That's what I know about it. He's the Max creator.
Really?
Yeah.
So let's actually get this unboxing done. Okay. Here is the box. Don't worry about the chainsaws, that's for decorations. Come on. I want to open this box.
If you see what's on the side of it, that means Halloween.
Halloween. Oh yeah, it's
Halloween.
October already.
I forgot.
What?
Now we're back at Camp Evans, where home is. Yes. We were at Fright Fest, but there's difficulties getting there. But now we're back at Camp Evans doing our thing.
Because it's way, way closer.
We can get a ride there. That's why
Yeah.
we can get a ride there.
Okay. Oh my god, I want to open it. Thank you, FS Chris FX, aka Chris Sander. Thank you.
Sander, I think it's S at the end.
Sanders?
Sander,
Okay.
Sander. Sorry, we're not. Let me get that clear. Hold on. Let me. I want to pronounce it correctly.
And this, by the way, if you know by the title of the video or the thumbnail, it's
It's the guy who does flinch. Who
no,
does,
the mask I'm talking about.
yeah.
The mask is the Rift and Stitch mask. I'm so excited to open it.
Also, the guy who sells it, he done flinch at Fear Farms in Arizona. Yeah, Saunders. Chris S. Okay, Chris S. Don't judge me, I have a clean case on my iPhone.
So if you want to check his Facebook page out,
And Instagram.
just put FS Chris FX. We can put it in the description if you want.
If you want to go get a Max from him, it's awesome. We ordered this
I think
Black Friday of last year, 2016.
So, and it's October of 2017, but I don't really care. He's been busy with a lot of different masks. If you see his page, it's a lot.
And business stuff too.
Hey, you didn't even... Okay, go.
Shut up!
I forgot it was the oven that got crispy, but it's good.
Oh God!
Say hi, Ma. If you remember her from our other videos, that's Mama G.
Keeping that for personal reasons.
That I ain't looking at. Yeah, it doesn't really say anything, but. Don't go down like that. I mean,
The fuck is that? Fuck is that?
it's opening, come on.
There, I opened it.
Holy shit. Yo, this looks even better in person.
Because I remember, oh shit. His and all, I remember when he first started, he improved on making these masks. Because I remember looking at the photos, it looks way different. From then and now, it looks better in person.
Oh, here's the order thing from him.
Oh, yeah, and he put a letter in
Wait, what does it
about
say?
the long wait.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we ordered this 25th of last year. November. Okay, let me see. Is there anything else? Hey, I see cards.
Ow! Shit, forgot they're metal. Can't see that?
Yo. That's him right there. If you want to look him up, there it is right there. We can keep it here. Hey, wait, show it up. Put it back up. No, show me that one. Okay, guys, we're going to show this for a couple of seconds. So, whatever you want to
Pause the video.
screenshot it, whatever. Okay, let's back to the mask. Wait, let me take this. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Damn it, you're took stuff out. I forgot you're getting up close on it. Let's get that paper out of the way. Yo, this is awesome. He has good detail in this. And this is actually for our Gonzo character, aka Gonzo the Clown, Gonzo Brothers. Man, I can't stop looking at this. We're going to be crazy this weekend.
Yeah.
So let's go try these on now. Okay, guys, we actually finally got our mask on, guys. So right now, first up, my brother Gonzo. Really? Oh. You good? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, my turn. Okay. Up next is the other Gonzo. Yeah, I know. Don't worry about the rest. You like the mask?
Yeah.
It's your big day. Boogity woogity woo. Boogity, whatever I'm taking, I can't see it, but I don't really care. Yeah. Alright, let's take these masks off. Okay. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video of our Bent and Stitch mask that we got from FS Chris FX. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and comment below. And I want to know what's your favorite Halloween mask and Halloween creature. See you in the next video. Peace.